Hi guys, I know I promised you that I was gonna make a video, but I don't have time, guys. I'm late for church. But I want to say one thing. Apparently, Floyd has gone against the code of conduct of Umkhonto weSizwe, which says this. The MKP Code of Conduct under Section 3, Offences J, undertaking an international trip and participating in activities and programs that are opposed to the agenda of the MK Party. Kutsho ntoni i-constitution ye-MK ebhalwe ngubani? Ebhalwe nguFloyd. Little are they going to be able to take Floyd to a disciplinary hearing nge-constitution ebhalwe nguye? Is that possible? I don't think they are brave enough. So a journalist uTsidi said, quite extraordinary for an organization to not back its SG like that. Little is this going to hurt MK? The fact that they're not backing their SG? Should they have sacrificed themselves and back to SG even though they know about what he's doing is wrong? Why did Floyd go to Malawi? So Uti, but also, why in his great wisdom was hanging out with a fugitive who allegedly took advantage of the vulnerable that claimed to represent Uti Ubana Floyd, why did he hang up with the fugitive who took advantage of the vulnerable people when Umkhonto weSizwe claim to be fighting for the vulnerable? And again, that's the sad part, is that Umkhonto weSizwe is going to be dragged into this because SG is the engine of the organization. You can't isolate yourself from the organization. I saw a lot of comments under that post where Aman Umkhonto original page Umkhonto weSizwe on X. Umkhonto was saying Ubana Unhlamulo shouldn't have written that letter. He should have just left it be. Yeah, but what was the need of him to release that statement? I have dropped the video on YouTube. Quickly run to my YouTube channel. You're gonna find a full video. But I do wanna touch on this. The words that Unhlamulo used in his statements. He says the Umkhonto weSizwe wishes to categorically distance itself from the recent visits of the Secretary General to the enlightened church gathering led by proclaimed Prophet Bushir, meaning that proclaimed, we don't even believe that he's a prophet. He's a proclaimed prophet. The party wishes to make it unequivocally clear that this visit was not sanctioned. Floyd Malawi. It was not endorsed. It was nor was it initiated by the leadership or any official structure of MK. The Secretary General undertook the visit in his personal capacity without the mandate or the knowledge of the party. A lot of people I see they are defending, saying, Floyd went in his personal capacity. Even if he did go in his personal capacity, he should have informed the organization. Guys, in my own personal capacity, ndiya eMalawi. Simple. When you are an SG, you are a big part of the organization. Any decision you take, anything you do, it will come back to the organization. So he should have informed the organization. So he should have. So anybody who's saying, "Hey, don't," you are not being honest. He should have informed the organization. That one is not a maybe. But let me go to church. And I'll see you guys later. If I don't see you later, I'll see you tomorrow. Because I don't know what time I'm going to be back. But happy Sunday, guys. Ivukile inkosi yamakholwa. Hey,